So we're paddling to some place to take video of, we're doing an interview. And there's falls behind us, Dad's behind me, and Michael's in the canoe with Hap and Andrea recording them right now. We're sitting in front of a waterfall, really nice one, and Michael's getting some shots. Yeah. We're back from the falls. Finished all of our interviews for the documentary, and now all we have to do is shoot lots and lots of B-roll. Hap and Andrea went for a nap because they're tuckered out from our adventure this morning, and we're gonna go take some footage of the trees and just the stuff that they talked about. And then tomorrow we're hiking to Helen's Falls, I believe Hap said it was called. That's what's going on now. This is the outhouse at the Eco Lodge, and the sign that's on the front of it, I'm absolutely in love with. I'm just sitting here by this little natural spring water thing, and behind me you can just see these huge old growth pine trees. It's unreal. They're so cool.
Hold the paddle out and grab it, and then go right in, and then went the first one with my foot, and said, okay, that works too. And I look back, and Mrs. Haley and Mrs. Marion were looking at me.
So what did you do today, Michael?
I almost dumped the Wilsons.
You want to elaborate?
No, I think we should set up an interview for that.
We just finished everything shot-wise, I think, for today.
Yep.
And now I'm meeting Katie.
The usual.